For a self-custody crypto wallet, privacy is a major concern. When using Bifrost Wallet, the answer is straightforward. It's designed specifically not to track or store your personal identifying data. Bifrost Wallet is non-custodial. This means you alone control your private keys and recovery phrase, and critically, these sensitive credentials are encrypted and stored only on your own device. Bifrost itself cannot access them. The wallet application does not create or require any user accounts linked to personal information like your name or email. It has a stated policy of data minimization, which means they process as little personal data as possible. They emphasize no ads, no trackers, no compromises. They do not track or store your wallet addresses or your asset balances. All the information about your crypto holdings is visible to you by interacting directly with the public blockchain networks, not through a central Bifrost server storing your data. While the core wallet functionality is intensely private, they do collect some anonymous and aggregated data. This non-personal data might include things like your app version, bug reports, or phone model. They use this information only to maintain and improve the performance and security of the wallet software. If you ever contact their support team, they will naturally process the email address and any information you provide in that support request, but this is separate from the wallet's core function. So, Bifrost Wallet does not track your personal identity or store your private financial details. The entire design philosophy centers on you retaining full control and privacy over your crypto assets.